Guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on your Toyota Highlander. First step is to open your glove compartment and push those support on the side. Then compress the glove compartment until the second support comes off. Then it should come right off. So on the upper part is your cabin air filter. You just need to press the locking mechanism and it should come right off. Then you just pull it out. Here is our old cabin air filter, and it has a 15,000 miles on it, so it really needs to be replaced. And here's our new cabin air filter. This is an aftermarket cabin air filter, and if the arrow says up, you just need to install it down, but if it's the Toyota OEM, you just need to follow the arrow. And since this is an aftermarket cabin air filter, we're just going to install it with the arrow facing down. Then after that, just reinstall everything back. And that's how you install your cabin air filter on your Toyota Highlander. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.